guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Archana here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use this kind of a transfer sheet to create beautiful projects. So this transfer sheet is from Craftkaro. So this kind of a transfer sheets are available with many brands, and right now I have this Craftkaro as I mentioned earlier. If you want to purchase this kind of this specific design, I will link that in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Also, this video is part of YouTube hub, that is Let Us Start with Art, and this hub is hosted by Bia Grove, and every month we few artists come together and create something beautiful, something inspiration for you guys. Okay, so moving on to my project. So first what I will do, first I will prepare my base. Okay, and for that you can also use this sheet, like you can cut it out and then use this specific portion, but for this project I am going to use the complete the complete sheet. Okay, I'll just mark guideline. So on the other area I will create texture. Here I will create texture. Okay, so I will create texture using texture paste. So using palette knife I will. You can also create texture using stencil, but as of now I'm not going to use stencil. I'm just creating texture randomly using palette knife. So just like pat your spatula on this texture and it will create a nice texture. Just touch and lift, touch and lift. This dry, and meanwhile we will add our transfer sheet as well. So before that we need to cover the background using white gesso. Transfer sheet is really quick way to create something beautiful for your walls. So just in case if you don't know how to paint, just grab some nice transfer sheets and you're good to go. Dried completely, and now I will take this transfer sheet. Okay, so before applying it onto the background, there is thin plastic sheet over it, so you have to remove it and then you have to place it on your project. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I will just cut this part because I don't want this line over here. So this is the design I have now, and now I will just place it. So before that, what I'm going to do, I will just see if like this I am going to paste it. So I will remove the plastic sheet from here. Apply this here and gently I will remove the okay, and now I will apply water over it. So I'm just applying clean water over it. So we just need to basically moist this paper. Just apply water all over it. You can also use a sponge dauber if you have. Just make sure the whole, entire area is moist. And if you feel that there are some bubbles in this portion, you can just flatten it out using the help of brush. Just apply good amount of pressure, and yeah. Now let's see if we can slide this. Bit more water, and look at this. Look at this. Our design is getting transfer on this background. Look at this, how beautiful it's looking, isn't it? Don't worry if some of the texture goes onto this paper, so that we will have nice blended look. Okay, so now I will color the rest part using this color shade, because in this transfer shade we can see similar shade. So yeah, I'm going to color this using similar shade. much I've enjoyed this process. I will be back with another project soon. Till then, bye bye, take care, and happy creating.